Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are in Dollar Tree. We're getting ready to do some couponing. Let's look at some quick couponing deals. I have a ton of coupons. This is usually the store I get lucky in at coupons. So I'm going to hurry up and get through this, and then I want to look for some more things, okay? So get your coupons ready from 1/3/2021. Okay, the first thing we're going to grab is the Skinny Pop. Those were for $1. I'm going to grab 4 packs of these. 4 bags of Skinny Pops, okay? Oh, there's Boom Chicken, guys. That's some good popcorn, too. But remember I was just talking about that? I said they're going to soon have Skinny Pop back again. So pay attention. They put it back in. Go order them if you want to. What I'm going to do is collect a lot of them up because my son's birthday is on Valentine's Day, and we're going to have Valentine's Day party, so I'm going to get as many free ones as possible. So I'm going to grab 4 for today. 4 for now. Okay, and they still have some Energizers, so those are in the thing now on the coupons for $1 off. So these are still free. I'm going to grab 4 of these. Okay, and the Jergens we have for $1.50 off. These are $1. This is a 7.5 ounce. So I'm going to grab 4 of these. And if I have to, guys, I will make multiple transactions on that. Okay. They got Huggies wipes in here. So they got those Huggies. That's Fisher Price, but they got Huggies wipes. Let's see what those wipes. Okay, I'm going to grab 2 of them and see if they work. You know, I'll let you guys know if they beeped or not. Look, guys, what they got in here. They got L-Vibe in here. Color Vibrancy. I wonder will they work on those. I'll check and see. Okay, here are the Colgate. Remember, they got to say Travel Forge. Grab 4 of those. Okay, so guys, we building a free stockpile, right? Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel because that's what we're doing. We're building a free stockpile. Now, let's check these and see if these will work on those coupons. If so, we're going to grab 4 of those. Okay, so I don't know if this will work, so I'm going to check and see. It says it's Colgate Total SF Optic White. So they want it to be that Pacific product right there, okay? But sometimes the coupons, you know, sometimes we use them when they work on stuff they don't say specifically for. So I will try it. And if it works, I will let you guys know. Hey, it's working, guys, okay? Okay, guys. So, guys, I have a Advil coupon. I'm going to grab 4 of these because that $2 coupon does work on it, bringing it down to $1 a piece. I just hope I got out 4 coupons and not 2. But it does say multi-symptom. If you look at the coupon, I will show you guys that coupon. Let me show it to you right now. See that? And see the multi-symptom in the back. They're going to lower it down to $1. You will not get overage, okay? So right now we're looking at all free products except one thing in there. I picked up a pack of Motrin. Okay, now we had Tylenol, but we had Tylenol Children's, so I'm not gonna see. I'm gonna see if it works. So let's head to the back of the store right quick and let's see what this is working on. Guys, if everything go right, we get nothing but freebies. Okay, so this is the refrigerator, and the refrigerator look a little empty to me. I'm trying to see if they got, I don't see anything. I'm looking for butter though. For the butter, I can't believe it's not butter. No, they got the Imperial. That's what they got. They don't have the butter. They got Imperial. Oh. Okay, I kind of was looking for that butter. I wanted it. Walmart had it, and then it was gone, guys. No butter. So let's see what they got. Okay, look at their storage room. That's their storage room. It's gigantic, ain't it? Yes. Okay, so those are the noodles. I need to grab a pack of noodles for my kids to eat. Okay, now we do have cereal, but I specifically go for their boxes. When they do, I do the bags every blue moon, but I don't really do the bags a lot. I'm gonna get some rolls, a pack of rolls. No bread, guys, no. Okay, so if anybody want to see some things now, you know, we do have these, right? We have a coupon. It's 50 cents off of 2, so that'll make them 75 cents a piece. not worth it to me. One, and my kids didn't like it, so I just stopped buying them. They was like, Mom, we don't like those. They didn't like them, so I stopped buying them, guys. They just made me just feel terrible. I wonder how this will taste. Hazelnut. It's for coffee. I'm gonna see, guys. And you know what else they don't have? I don't see any bread, but I am earlier than usual, so that might be it. My mom was saying I was too early that day, so that really might be it. I might be just too early for them. Oh, now they got Betty Crocker. They got Betty Crocker mashed potatoes now. So, and they got them right next to the Idaho potatoes. So, Betty Crocker. And then they got Hungry Jack. So, see how they put stuff together? Because, look, they got the mac and cheese, real one. Then they got theirs. They got them all in a row. So, you gotta pay attention to that's how they do their thing. They stack it up. They want you to buy their brand, but the other brand is better. Yeah, of course, you can get that. So, got all of these. Okay. Nope. Okay. I'm looking for Pirate's Booties. That's what I came over for. Because you know we had a Pirate's Booty also, right? So what I'm going to do is, just because I don't want no beeps, I'm going to do 2 transactions. Okay. And I don't see, here's all of the, I used to love those beer nuts. I used to love them. I don't know why. Maybe it had the word "B" on it. Had me thinking it was gonna make me drunk or something. You know, sometimes when you're a kid, you be tripping. Okay, so here's all that paper towel and everything, which I haven't saw anything different with their paper towel. But let's go see if they got some new items. I showed you the Betty Crocker. That's new in this store. Okay, and this was the aisle that had all the newbies on it the last time I came. So. Y'all watch when you be going to those spas. Look at that. They be putting this in here for a dollar store. Telling you to like it. See that? Eye mask. Those, I don't know if I showed you those. I think I did show you those. Pedicure flip-flops. Those I know. Those pedicure flip-flops. Those are new. Look at this, guys. A pore cleaning charcoal bubble mask. Okay. And what's this? Eye compressors. Wow. Okay. And then guys, come over here and look, because sometimes you'll find like the Pond's is always over here. Okay. Oh, look at that. Decorative Knobs. Now I didn't see this the last time I was here. And it's called Last Minute Gifts. So these are knobs that go on doors, what they decorated. That was so cute. Oh wow. Okay. And what's this? Ceremony. Oh, those are bridal things. And then, what is this? Oh, okay. I don't know what that is. It's a plaque. Many gifts. Okay, so let's go on the other side for 1 second, and then we'll get out of here. Okay, so a lot of this is the planning for the vision board I told you guys about. Start getting your stuff together. Time, calendars, all of that. Okay. Looking for some calendars. Now that's a weekly planner, but it is super small. See, that one is really small. Dollar Tree. And then you got little desk calendars, just super small. I think these are more for kids. I would look at that like it's for kids. There's a hard book one. And that's how I look at the inside. And here's more calendars. They like more of a kitty calendar. They got those calendars, guys. Look at that. They gone. Oh wow. And that ain't enough. I can't well, I could stamp. I could stamp in this one. This is small, but I could stamp. So I grabbed 4 calendars. 2 are actually for someone, and then 2 that I'm gonna give out and keep for myself. Okay, guys. So we had some beeping problems in there. So the girl put through as many as she could. But you see this coupon beeped for me at this Dollar General. I'm going to try a different Dollar General though before I give up. But she did put it through. It's the correct coupon. It's nothing wrong with it, but it did beep. She put 2 of them through to me. I won't let her do no more. Then the Advil, which is the one for the Advil, that one beeped. She put in 2 Advils for me. The skinny pop. She did put those skinny pops through. But I was going to do like another transaction and put, do 4 more of them. I just told her to stop right there. I didn't want to get in trouble. Okay. And so, other than that, the Jergens always beeping, they put it through. So, it all came off. Out of it, 14 coupons went through. 14. So, guys, that's the way it goes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. And I still think we did good because we came out with some freebies. It's just, if you don't want them to put through too many coupons, just do way too much, then don't have them do it. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.